Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Verbac. The composite cutout has staged a solid performance through the first half of the year, reaching a peak around the 4th of July near $326 per hundredweight. Year to date, the cutout is averaging just above $300, which is slightly above a year ago, and in line with the price levels anticipated at the start of the year. Demand for middle meat items like ribs and strip loins has slowed significantly over the past 2 weeks, resulting in the lower trend that has developed in the beef complex. Softer demand is expected to continue into early August before buying begins to pick up ahead of Labor Day. This will hold the cutout in a lower trend over the next 2 to 3 weeks before prices are expected to stabilize and stage a modest rally into early September. Fed slaughter has remained below a year ago, with July on pace to average between 485 and 490,000 head per week. Fed slaughter is expected to remain between 470 and 485,000 head per week through the balance of the year, which will be supportive to cattle feeders' leverage moving forward and provide an underlying layer of support to the beef complex. Year to date, Fed slaughter is down around 200,000 head, but heavier carcass weights have offset the decline in slaughter and left fed beef production around 100 million pounds above a year ago. Carcass weights are currently near the lows on the year, with steer weights averaging 916 pounds in the most recent week of data, which is 5 pounds higher than the previous week. Weights are on pace to establish a new record this year and should begin to seasonally increase into November and December, which will continue to offset the expected reduction in fed slaughter. Turning to this week's markets, trade was moderate in the north at 196 live and 310 dressed, which are both $2 lower than last week. Trade was light to moderate in the south at 187 to 188 live, steady to $1 lower than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.